is Renee Olivia, and in this video we're going to talk about my nighttime routine. I did talk about my morning routine in another video, so if you want to check that out, please do. Again, both are really important, but the nighttime routine, because you have makeup on from the day, it's really important that you remember to wash all that makeup off, no matter how tired you are. I know I have a toddler, I'm running around with him, I also have a full-time job, so I get it. And even if you're coming in at 3 a.m. and you're exhausted, just make the time to do it. And I'll give you a couple reasons why, and there's many, but you know, the makeup gets into your pores and it can clog the pores, which then make the pores bigger, which is not a good look. And also it gets into the fine lines that you have around your eyes, which then becomes deeper. You know, the lines become deeper and you don't want that either. And the third thing is, like, your skin definitely needs to repair from the day before. With all the pollutants out there and everything that's in the air, it's really helpful to do. So just try to remember that. But I use a lot of products, and I'll say this a lot. I like to try new things. At my age, 47, I do a lot of research, and I do try to see if there's something better, more interesting. So I hope in this video you find something that you'd like to try, and I hope it helps you. But again, just make sure you do it. And anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, so let's get started. Okay, so what I did, obviously I put my hair up so it's out of my face, and I've already washed my face to get all the makeup off, and what I'm using now is the Olay Cleansing Infusion. It's got a really great exfoliator, so it really gets down in there. And also I use this, which I got at Sephora for, like, it's so inexpensive, but it works really well. It gets down deep into your pores and gets the makeup out. So I love those two. So then I also used Neutragena, and this is the oil-free eye makeup remover. So I've already done that. The next thing I do is I use a toner, and right now I'm using Bobbi Brown Extra Toner. It's a treatment lotion, but it's a toner that really feels great. So I just basically put that all over. Feels so soft, I love it. But yeah, everything should be off my face. Then the next thing I use is this. This is awesome. This is a nighttime restoring cream, and it's by ROC. It's a multi-correction 5-in-1. I just kind of, don't forget the neck. Put that all over. Oh, it smells so good. Be really gentle around the eyes. Again, normally I'll use a retinol or peptides around the eyes for the crow's feet, but for now, since I'm pregnant, I'm gonna not do that. Not that it's that bad. I mean, I don't know. I haven't talked to a doctor about it, but I just want to be safe. The next thing, I got this as a sample, and I'm definitely gonna buy it. It's Shisedo. Can you see that? And I'll obviously I'm gonna put all this stuff in down below, and then in my website, reneeolivia.com. So you'll have all that. But it's definitely, it's a moisturizing cream, and it feels and looks, feels and smells so amazing. I love it. So I'm gonna, when the sample's out, I'm actually gonna buy the bigger size. Okay, so that's my nighttime, the cream that I put on. Now, I know I took off my makeup, my eye makeup, but I'm gonna use some coconut oil to put, I know this sounds crazy, on my eyelashes. And I'm gonna do another video on this, but I'm trying to grow my lashes and get them thicker because I was using, I was doing the eyelash extensions, and I really ruined my lashes. So they're very short and very thin. So I just get that excess, but I just want to keep it on my lashes. So that's what I do with that. It's also good for around the eyes too, and it's natural. Helps with the crow's feet. So for my lips, I'm gonna show this to you. I'm not gonna do it, but this is Bite. This is Agave Bite. Yeah, this is from Bite Beauty. And this is basically to exfoliate your lips. And you just basically put this on your lip, wash it off, kind of gets any excess skin off your lips, and it also makes them really smooth. Also by Bite, this is also for your lips. Again, this is all stuff I do at night. Put this on. Keeps your lips nice and supple. All right, now this I also do in the morning, but it's the MAC Prep. It's like a mineral water. Just I spray that on because now that it's wet, I'm gonna put this it's called Beauty Skincare. It's an elixir, basically an oil. And I'm gonna put that while my face is still moist and just make sure I don't forget the neck. Smells amazing. And just kind of make sure it's all in there. And there we go. That's pretty much all I put on my face, except for like, this is when, you know, I'm getting ready for bed, and then I'm gonna get Tristan ready for bed and all that. But then when I'm actually getting into bed and going to sleep, then I also use this. It's by BeautyCounter. It's just it's a lip also, but it smells pepperminty, and it smells so good. I just put that, I leave it right there next to my bed. And then this is a lavender vanilla spray that I spray on my pillow because lavender is supposed to help you go to sleep. This I put on my silk pillowcase every night. And I put it on my husband's as well. We like it. That is basically what I put on at night. Okay, so that was my nighttime routine video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you didn't notice a theme, I'll let you know. It's hydration, hydration, hydration. It's so important to your skin at any age, let alone someone my age. So just keep that in mind. I did list the products and all the information below, and I also have that information on my website, which is reneeolivia.com, so check that out. And I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, subscribe, and comment. I would love to hear from you. I really want to get better, and I want to hear your feedback. So thank you again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.